Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Ioniq. The Hyundai Ioniq is available in 3 different electric versions. It's loaded with interior features, and the exterior will amaze you with its advanced design. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, FWD, rear defrost. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee.